Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how you can use Zoho Project for emergency response planning, the full 2025 guide. The first step is to create your project. Head over to the Create Project button, give it a name, and select the Emergency Response Plan template. This is crucial as it provides you with a pre-designed framework, saving valuable time. Now that we've done that, let's move on to task creation. Click the Add Task button and start inputting your emergency response tasks. The reason we do this is to break down the emergency response into manageable actions, ensuring nothing is overlooked. Next up, set your task dependencies. Click on a task, then select the option to set dependency. This helps us because it ensures tasks are completed in the right order, maintaining the efficiency and effectiveness of your plan. Once you've mapped out your tasks, it's time to assign them. Go to the Assign Task button and choose team members for each task. Let me explain why this matters. Assigning tasks ensures everyone knows their role in the emergency response, reducing confusion and potential delays. Finally, schedule your tasks. Click on the Schedule button and start setting deadlines for each task. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Scheduling keeps your team on track, pressures everyone to meet their deadlines, and keeps the plan moving forward effectively. So, there you have it, folks. In just a few steps, you've created an efficient and effective emergency response plan using Zoho Project. Remember, in emergency situations, every second counts, and having a well-planned strategy can make all the difference. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.